Come follow my journey as I get my certificate to become an HVAC technician through the Goodwill program in Atlanta, Georgia. Today is day 19 of the class. Class started at 8:30 a.m. sharp, and we start out today with our end of the week quiz. I ended up getting 80% on mine. I know I could do better than 80, but I ride with 80. And after that, we split into groups and started working on our last group project of the program. Here go me and one of my classmates mounting and hanging up a wall unit. You know how we do it. And here goes our finished project right here. And after that, we split up and started working on how to read a wiring diagram for our outside unit. And then here goes some of the other projects that we did. And that was it. Day 19 is in the book. I'm looking forward to day 20, and I hope you're enjoying this journey with me.